In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go to Facebook Ads Manager. This quick guide will cover the essential steps you need to access Facebook's powerful advertising tool, all in under 5 minutes. Whether you're a business owner looking to increase your online presence or a marketing enthusiast diving into the world of digital advertising, understanding how to navigate to the Facebook Ads Manager is a crucial first step. So let's get started. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you commonly use. It's important to have an updated version to ensure the best user experience and compatibility with all website elements. Simply locate the browser icon on your desktop, Start menu, or Quick Launch and give it a click. Next, you'll need to enter a specific URL to take you directly to the Facebook Ads Manager. At the top of your browser, find the address bar. Here's where you'll type in the web address, https://www.facebook.com Business Tools Ads Manager. Press Enter or Return on your keyboard after typing in the URL, and this will route you directly to the page you need. If you're not already logged into your Facebook account, you will be prompted to do so. Enter your Facebook account credentials. This includes your email or phone number associated with the account and your secure password. If you happen to have two-factor authentication set up, be prepared to verify your identity with the method you have chosen, such as entering a code sent to your phone or email. This will ensure that your account remains secure and only accessible to you. Once successfully logged in, you'll land directly on the Facebook Ads Manager dashboard. This is the central hub for all your Facebook advertising activities. Here, you can create new ad campaigns, manage existing ads, and track the performance of your advertisements. If you're new to this interface, take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout. You'll find various tabs and options such as campaigns, ad sets, and ads, which allow you to manage your advertising strategy comprehensively. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated to the Facebook Ads Manager. Remember, while setting up ads, it's important to think about your target audience and overall marketing goals. Take some time to explore this tool further, as it's packed with features that can help optimize your advertising efforts. That wraps up our video for today. I hope you found this tutorial clear and helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Thank you for watching, and happy advertising.